Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you see this beautiful dress? If you want to learn how to make this from start to finish, I will encourage you to let me know on WhatsApp. This number on your screen is what you should use to WhatsApp me, and I'll be giving you the details. Okay, so right now I will be making a dress, and this dress wouldn't have a waist dart because I don't have enough fabric for this. Okay, so now it's going to have only just the bust, dart. Okay, so now I have my back pattern, my front, okay, the zipper allowance, the vents. Okay, so just ensure you match your basic bodice, the half scale and the skirts together to have this pattern. So right now I'll be separating the top from the down part. Okay, so now I have it here, and I'm going to bring my fabric now. This is going to be the top part. Okay, and I have also the black material or black fabric that will also be the down part, this like the skirt part. Okay, so this measurement I reduced it by 1 inch. My normal measurement I reduced by 1 inch, I mean the round measurement now. Okay, so right now because I don't have enough fabric, I will be measuring 5 inches from the waist down, and I will cut it out. This is actually the front pattern. Okay, so and it's not enough. I've already cut the back. Okay, and the remaining I discover it can't be enough for me to cut. Okay, that's why I'm trying to separate it. So I will use the material I use for the top, okay, to balance this. Okay, I hope you understand my point. And now on the hem part, I will be adding 1.5 inches, okay, as my hemming allowance. All right, so I've already cut all the pieces, can you see? And I have also joined with my pins. Okay, they are not sewn, but just joined with pins. All right, pins are very, very important when you are sewing or when you are making a dress or whatever you might be making. Pins are very essential. Okay, so now I will be joining everything together. Okay, can you see the one I cut out, the 5 inches I cut? And if you can notice that there's this middle I came down by 1 inch. Okay, from the waist down by 1 inch, and I removed that. Okay, so that my front part, the waistline, can be a bit firm on the tummy. This is very, very necessary. Okay, so this has been sewn already. Now I'm going to be joining the top part to the down part. Okay, in the middle this way. So this is how it's going to look. Okay, so I'm going to be joining the back pieces as well. It has the skirts, so these two will be together, and I will have 2 panels at the end of the day. This is the skirt part. So here, can you see I have joined the top to the down part. Can you see the joining here? This is the joining, and it's been neatly joined. As you can see, the back has also been joined. The back pieces have been joined already, and you will notice there is interfacing on the wrong side of each of the panels. So, and this is for my zipper. The fabric is a bit stretchy and is light, so there is a need for me to make it a bit strong so that it can carry the zipper. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say now. So it is very, very important when you are dealing with light fabric or neat fabric, you need to add little structure to the zipper allowance. Okay, here is my back facing, and I'm going to overlock the edges. So, and I also add interfacing on the wrong side. So here I'm going to be overlocking it. This is my sleeve. I will be dropping the link on how to draft your basic sleeve in the description box. Please check it out. Okay, here my zipper has been installed, and as you can see, it has been neatly installed. And the next thing is to join my facing to the back neck line. So what to do is to just bring down the zipper this way and also flip out the zipper allowance so that the interfacing can also match up with it. So you are going to start sewing from the zipper allowance. Okay, so you sew together this way, right side to right side, till you get to the shoulder point. Okay, and here I have cut a rolled collar for only the front neck line. I cut this on bias, and this fabric is actually different from the black fabric that I use for the skirt part. So this is just like, scrap of fabrics. Okay, you can do a lot with it. Okay, so and here I cut 2 on bias and I interfaced 1, as you can see. So I'm going to join it this way, the down part, and here I'm going to leave this part. I won't join it because it's going to be laid on the shoulder. Okay, so I'm going to leave it. So right now I will be joining it on the down, that curvy parts. So once I'm done, I'm going to lay it on the neck this way. Here I have joined my interfacing and I have pressed it as well. Can you see? It's very, very neat. Okay, and this is the right side. The zipper is in between. It's an invisible zipper. It's really looking nice. So here I have joined my collar as well. Okay, and I also top stitch on the part that has the interfacing. Okay, so always top stitched on the part that has the interfacing, because it's going to be inside. It's not going to show on the outside at all. Okay, now to join my roll collar to my fabric, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to place the part that has the interfacing directly on my dress, on my main fabric, on the neckline. Okay, this is so important. Okay, because the interfacing is actually for the neckline. Okay, so you have to join, it has to be directly joined to the neckline so that the neckline can be balanced. So now I'm going to sew it this way, and once I'm done I will turn it outside because it's going to be outside, not inside. Okay, so this is how it's going to look once it has been joined. Can you see? Once it is ready, it's going to look this way on the outside. It's going to fall like this, roll out. Can you see? So now I have joined it, and here I didn't top stitch. You can top stitch yours, but I felt it's not necessary, but I did not. But you can do it. Actually, it's also it will also make your work neat. Okay, so now I'm joining the two shoulders together, both the front and the back. Okay, so now bringing the front and the back together, then the facing for the back should be used to cover up for the other pieces. I hope you understand. So just cover it up this way and pin together. So please ensure you chat me on WhatsApp on the number on your screen, and I'll also be dropping that number in the description box. I am launching my first online course. This is my first online course, and it's very cheap, and you also enjoy it. In fact, you are a beginner, you can also learn a lot from this class. It is just for a token, so I will encourage you to go for it. So now I'm going to be sewing here. Now it's been sewn, and can you see it's very neat. Can you see? Okay, so right now I will bring the two sides together, the front, the back, so that I can join it. Okay, so ensure that every notch aligns. Okay, so once I'm done, then I will insert my sleeve, join my sleeve to the dress, and we are good to go. So thank you so much for watching, and ensure you follow me on all my social media platforms, and once I'm done, you see the outcome. Can you see the outcome? Thank you so much. Bye.